September 1st. So welcome to September around the world. Everybody I talk to says the same thing. And I got a guest here, Luis. We're like, where did the summer go?
I enjoyed the summer. It was a warm summer for sure.
It was. Here in Atlanta, Canada, I love hearing you say that. And Luis is one of our guests, and he's from Venezuela, some Colombian roots as well. And so for him to say it was a warm summer, we know it was a good warm summer.
It was warm enough, yes.
Right? And that means a good growing season for our farmers and farmers markets, which of course here on Atlantic Canada Cooks is so very important to us. So having a vegetarian menu is extra exciting because when Mom and I were walking the farmers market, which often Moncton, because we get to see Luis, and guess what? We get to get some amazing empanadas.